Hey everyone, in this video I'll showing you how to fix code 19 error with airplane mode switch and USB input on your Windows 10. We will check the guide posted at Windows 10 forums to apply the fix. Let's get started. Open Device Manager and double-click on affected device to open up its properties and select Details tab. Under drop-down menu, select Class GUID option. Copy the value within flower brackets. Open Registry Editor by typing it in the search bar. Navigate to this location and use Find to navigate to affected GUID. Once you find it, no need to expand the tree and simply proceed to check the value under lower filters as you can see in the video. Double-click on the key and clear the current value. Click on OK to save it. Now you can restart or reboot the PC, which should fix the code 19 issue as you can see in the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can support me via Patreon and Topmate. Thank you once again to all my subscribers and the community for your continued support.